Can you see who viewed your thread on the Threads app? What's up everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to find out if you are able to see who has viewed your thread on the Threads application. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. Let's get into the video. The first thing you would need to do is open up your application, and the first thing, once you get to your application, is to head over to your profile section down below. On the top right corner, you'll see your profile section. And if you have posted any threads, it will be visible on your profile. And if you want to see who has viewed it, you can just tap on it. And the first thing you would notice is the number of likes. So here I have liked my own threads, for example. So what you could do is see the number of people who have liked your threads, then that means they have definitely viewed your thread. The other thing to determine if they've viewed your thread or not is if there are any replies to your threads. So if someone replies to your threads like this, it will be visible on your threads, and you can see their profile from here. So if I go ahead and tap on my home screen, tap on this thread right here, as you can see here, 20,000 people have liked this thread and 1,000 have commented on this thread. Now if I scroll down, as you can see, all of these people have definitely viewed the Threads app. So this means that you can be very sure all of these people have viewed your threads, but there is no way to determine each and every person that has viewed your threads. You can just get an idea of this subset, the people that have liked your threads or that have replied to your threads. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.